How to log in to TikTok with a QR code. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can log in into your TikTok account using a QR code. Now the very first thing that you want to have to do is to use the scanner via your mobile device depending on where you're trying to log in. Once you successfully pull up your TikTok account from the main phone, all you have to do next is to tap on the three lines at the top right and then choose on your QR code. Now you'll automatically be getting out your QR code, but if you're trying to scan for one, you can use this option at the top right, which is going to be scan a QR code. And just simply scan whatever QR code is presented on your screen for you to successfully log in into your TikTok account. But if we're doing this, make sure that the TikTok that you're currently using is going to be updated to the latest version so you will have this kind of feature. And then that's it. That's how you log in to TikTok with QR code.